Hi there, welcome back to our network design series. This is a video number 3 and today we are zooming in on a super important topic, defining the purpose of your network. Now, every network exists for a reason. It's not just about plugging in devices, it's about powering your businesses, supporting your apps and setting the stage for future growth. So, why is this step so important and how do you actually define it? Let's break it down. What do we mean by network purpose? Think of it as the network's job description. It answers big questions like, what are people trying to do on this network? Which applications are critical to the businesses? And how should the network grow as the business grows? These days, networks aren't just about connecting computers. They have got to support cloud app, remote teams, and a secure data access across different locations. Knowing your network's purpose keeps the design focused, efficient, and ready for anything. Let's talk about business application. They are the lifeblood of any network. Here are a few examples you probably know. Voice over IP needs low latency for smooth calls. Video conferencing eats up the bandwidth. No room for jitter. Cloud apps like Google Workspace or Salesforce, they need reliable, high-speed internet. Every app has its own needs, and if you understand those needs, you can design a network that's ready to perform no matter what. Okay, next up, application models. These are all about how your apps interact with the network. First up, the client-server model. Classic setup, apps run on a server and users connect from elsewhere. Think email or database queries. The network needs to be solid and scalable to handle the traffic. Then there are cloud-based applications. These live in a cloud and are accessed online, like Adobe Creative Cloud or other browser-based tools. Fast, reliable internet is a must here. And finally, hybrid application. Mix of local and cloud. For example, a company might run a database in-house, but use the cloud for backup. This setup needs flexibility and smooth integration across the board. Let's switch gears to service models. These affects how your apps are delivered. Software as a service. Think Zoom or Dropbox. These runs entirely over the internet. So your network needs fast, dependable access. Infrastructure as a service. Platforms like AWS or Azure provide servers and storages. That means you will need secure, scalable cloud connection. Platform as a service. Perfect for developers. Building and launching apps. Low latency and strong security are key here. Knowing these models helps you shape a network that truly fits your business. As more companies move to the cloud, your network has to keep up. Let's break down your main options for cloud connectivity. Direct cloud access. It is fast, efficient, and perfect for business living in a cloud. But heads up, it can cost more and needs specialized setup. Cloud gateway access routes everything through a central point like a data center. Great for control and security, but it can slow things down. Hybrid connectivity, a blend of on-prem and cloud. Super flexible, but it takes careful planning to get it right. Your cloud type also matters when designing your network. You have got 3 main ones. Public cloud, like hosted providers like AWS. Private cloud, run by your own team in-house. Hybrid cloud, mix of both for max flexibility. And when you are building for the cloud, keep these strategies in mind. Go cloud agnostic to avoid vendor lock-in. Use containers to keep your apps portable and decouple components so you can scale easily. These smart moves give your network staying power. Now, let's talk about data, because it is everything. Data flow. Know where your data travels and how it gets there. Example, a global company might use a content delivery network to speed things up. Data security, protect it. Use encryption, access control, and regular backups. Data integration. Make sure all systems, cloud or on-site, can talk to each other seamlessly. If you get data management right, your network becomes faster, safer, and more efficient. Let's bring this to life with a real-world example. Imagine a retail chain. They need a network that connects all stores to a central inventory system, offer guest Wi-Fi for shoppers, runs cloud-based point-of-sale system. To make that happen, the network design might include hybrid cloud setup for syncing inventory, high-speed internet to support POS tools, and firewalls and VPNs to keep customers' data safe. Defining your network's purpose also set the stage for growth. Let's say you are a small startup with 10 employees. If you plan right, your network can easily scale to support 100 without full redesign. Smart planning now saves time, money, and ton of headache later. Here is the takeaway. When you define your network purpose, you are not just connecting devices. You are building something that drives your business forward. You are enabling apps, supporting teams, securing data, and preparing for what's next. So take the time to define it, because a network without purpose, that's just wires. But a network with a mission, that's a powerhouse.